Alright car enthusiasts, buckle up. Today I'm taking you on a turbocharged ride through a car factory, showing how a car is built from scratch, all in just 2 minutes. Let's start the clock. First stop, the stamping press. This giant machine punches out the car's body panels from huge sheets of metal. It's like a mechanical chef cutting cookie dough, only way more powerful. Next, we head to the body shop. Here, robotic arms steal the show. They weld the panels together to form the car's skeleton. It's a dance of sparks and precision. These robots are so accurate they put my parallel parking to shame. Now, we move to the paint shop. This is where the car gets its personality. It's a multi-stage process: primer, base coat, and clear coat. The paint is applied in a controlled environment to avoid any dust or imperfections. It's like watching a high-tech artist at work. On to the assembly line. This is where the magic really happens. Engine, transmission, suspension, all the critical components are installed. Thousands of parts come together seamlessly. Human workers and robots collaborate in perfect harmony. Interior next. Seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems are added. It's all about comfort and tech, transforming the metal shell into a cozy cabin. Imagine fitting a puzzle but on a massive scale. Finally, quality control. Every car goes through rigorous testing. From alignment checks to water tests, nothing is left to chance. It's like a final exam, and only the best make the grade. And there you have it. From metal sheet to road-ready vehicle in a flash. It's a symphony of engineering and technology. So next time you see a car, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane content. Till next time, keep those engines roaring.